Hello everyone, so this afternoon, this morning, whenever you're watching this video, your challenge today is a comprehension. Now you've done lots of comprehensions in the past, so you shouldn't find it too difficult to get back into the swing of things. Now in the full celebration of the week that we're having this weekend, the commemoration and the celebration of VE Day, it takes place on Friday, we are basing our comprehension around the same thing, so around VE Day. What is VE Day? Well, hopefully over the course of the comprehension you'll find out a little bit more than you already knew. It is all to do with World War II and more specifically the very end of World War II. There's your clue there. So, underneath this assignment where this video has been put, there are your reading that will look something like this. And at the bottom of that, it's all on one document. You've got the reading pages and then your questions are at the end of it. So there are actually two options that you have. There is a milder option and there is a spicy option. They're both around about VE Day. So it's up to you whether you'd like to take on the challenge, a little bit more difficult reading and a little bit more difficult questions. To do with the questions, it is very important, just as always with our comprehensions, that you answer in full sentences. I will be on the lookout for full sentences. Now, full sentences, remember, that means that I should be able to look at your answer without looking at the question, and I'd be able to read it and guess exactly what the question was. So the question might be something along the lines of, when is VE Day? VE Day takes place on the... and then you'd have your answer. So you've got that bit of an intro, it gives it that whole sentence. Okay, at 12 o'clock this afternoon, I am going to release to you the answers. And what I'd like you to do is get a different colour pen, pencil, whatever you'd like to do, and mark your work. And then you can upload, hand in your work, ready marked, all done with your feedback on how hard you felt this task was. So just like you normally would, you can mark it, give yourself a score and write how hard you found the comprehension. Okay, so that's all what you can do before you hand it in. So you're going to have a look, pick whether you want the mild or spicy option, get your comprehension, give it a read. Remember, read it a few times through before even looking at the questions. Then look at the questions and then read it again with the questions in your mind and then start to answer them. Writing in full sentences, and then wait before you hand back in your work. Wait for the answers to be released at 12 o'clock. I'll write a little reminder on the classwork page on the stream that says they are online as well and you can get the answers. And when it's marked and you've written your comment, that's when you're going to upload it onto Google Classroom. That's when you're going to hand it in. Okay, but wait, there's more. For the whole of this lesson, so it's between 9:30 and 10:30, I am going to be online on Google Meet. There will be a link on our English classroom. Okay, now this doesn't mean you have to be there from the start. You don't. So the only reason I am there is to help. Okay, and if you get stuck or you get a bit confused and you're just not sure how to do it, I am there so you can log yourself onto the classroom, onto the Google Meet, and I'll be able to answer your question nice and quickly. Now I'll only be there between 9:30 and 10:30 and then the link will disappear. Okay, so pick your comprehension, give it a go, write in full sentences, any questions, join the Google Meet and I'll answer them for you and then wait for those answers before you upload your work onto Google Classroom. Enjoy!